Hi, I'm Dr. Philip Cordova with CORE Chiropractic here in Houston, Texas, and this is the pulsed electromagnetic field therapy treatment, also known as PEMF. PEMF uses a magnetic pulsing to heal your body on a cellular level. What that means is that it's going to go right into the cells and charge them up. Think of it almost like charging a battery. When the cells have their full charge, they work as well as they can. When they have a reduced charge, you tend to have problems like pain and fatigue and weakness. And so we want the cells to work as strong as they can. So to do that, you're going to lay down here on this zero gravity lounger, very comfortable to do so. Once you're laying there, you're going to feel this pulsing go into your body. Now, if we just put you on the lounger, if you're just laying there doing that, you may feel the pulsing at different spots because you're going to feel it wherever it needs it the most. However, when you come in with lower back pain, we're going to make sure we isolate it. So we take one of these pads and we will lay it on the table and connect it to the machine in here. And so it'll connect to that machine, and that way the treatment is going just where you need it on that low back. It's more important for us that everything is comfortable, but we also want to target that area and make it so you get the most treatment to the area that needs it the most. You'll sit here for about 16 minutes, very comfortable. You can sit there and read. You can't be on your phone, unfortunately, because it is a magnetic pulse and it's not good for anything with a battery. So if you have had like a spine stimulator implanted or a pacemaker, things like that, you won't be able to use that. But most patients, they can use this comfortably. Some side benefits people report is they sleep like a baby that first night. There is kind of a detoxing effect. Pain starts to go away, inflammation starts to reduce. The number one reason why we put people on here to start is because they're having pain and we're not able to do a lot of other therapies. But once they get on this a few times, now we're just trying to speed up the healing. We're trying to get that disc to come back in. We're trying to get the muscles to relax, and we're trying to get your body to recover as well as it can. So pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, just one of the great therapies that we have here to help our patients with low back pain get the best results that they can get.